The following message has been transmitted by the requested of the GoAnimate Space Administration. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the spotting meteor that happened to the world named HTML5 are heading towards the Earth. The Vyond Legacy world will be impacted when the HTML5 is about to hit on the ground and turn into the flames. The GoAnimators recently found that the HTML5 will impact the rest of the world, plus, the Vyond Legacy Video Maker will be disappeared on your screens when the HTML5 hits the entire legacy world. The GoAnimators and GoAnimate Space Administration is currently planning to get rid of HTML5 meteor and stop this disaster. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the requested of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Department of GoAnimate Emergency Management. A dangerous situation is currently unfolding for the GoAnimate Space Administration. At 9:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the largest HTML5 meteor are about to impact the entire world within the next 7.5 hours. These meteor are the terrorist attacks in the whole world causing massive destruction, and turns into the flames. This is an extremely dangerous situation. If you see the meteor, do not attempt to leave it here, when the meteor is close to the ground. Doing so will put your life into the certain death. All GoAnimators is currently planned to save Vyond Legacy Video Maker, using their hashtags, and keep using Requestly before it's too late. Please stay tuned for more updates regarding this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Special information will send out. The following message has been transmitted by the requested of the Republic of GoAnimate. This is not a test. One more time, this is not a test. The GoAnimators' plans to save Vyond Legacy Video Maker has failed. Because of result, the HTML5 has officially taken over 75% of the world of GoAnimate, and the rest of the world, please evacuate immediately. One more time, please evacuate immediately. We apologizes that we are unable to stop this meteor. Gather all of your friends and family and embrace themselves for the end. Unfortunately, the President of the Republic of GoAnimate has unable to sending out. In addition, the GoAnimate Central's Discord server will also shut down his server due to the retirement of Vyond Legacy Video Maker, even though it's still operational on his Discord server. Your government thanks you to the cooperation. Please stand by, as we concludes the last activation of the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now shut down and cease to exist forever and ever, but with a national anthem. This is EAS Guy Matthew, over and out. This station will go off the air and cease transmission forever and ever. Goodbye GoAnimate Legacy World, goodbye Vyond Legacy Video Maker, goodbye Comedy World, and may God bless you all.